Spiritual day, Yuna. Spiritual day. Y'all know I'm out here in nature, feeling good, living with gratitude, thankful and grateful, you know. Time to get out here in nature, y'all, even though it's cold, you feel me? That shouldn't stop you, because you are nature, you are the weather. You feel me? You are it. Understand that. Be it in them four walls, you can lock your mind up. It's time to expand your mind with the nature wisdom. Nature got a lot of knowledge. That's how I understand myself, by understanding nature. I got them apples by the tree. Like a couple days ago, I had put some bananas by the tree. And they gone now. So I put the apples out there. You know, just to give back, you know. Give back to nature. They don't owe me anything. It gave me life. Thought about this branch right here. You know, it's cold outside, so you don't want to put your feet and your hands in the grass. So long as you touching this, anywhere you go and put it in the ground, you plugged in, you charged up. You are electricity. This is an electrical magnetic field. Understand that. You want to come one with self, get out here in nature. Let go of all that anxiety, that depression, that fear. We got to overcome all that. It's all an illusion. Death is an illusion. There is no beginning, there is no ending. Wake the mind up. You want to be woken up. Eat right. Your body wants the right things inside of it. Your body's not fighting against you. Your body works with you. But when you put bad things in it, it gives you signs. So that's when the pain and the inflammation come in. Listen to your body. It's smart. It's smarter than this phone I'm talking on. And I'm only on it to give you guys the message. That's about it. You hear the water flow? Got a nice creek on the side of the crib. Yeah. I love this, man. It gets no better than this. This life right here. This one I feel like I'm living. You feel me? It's real happiness. I'm charged up. I'm plugged in. It's time to let go of the false reality, y'all. Let go of it. It do us no justice. None. The Matrix is only created to destroy you. And only you can let it destroy you, because you have control. You the one that make the decisions. And it's the decision I made. Listen to them God thoughts. I've been meditating lately, healing my body. It's been working. I'm about to meditate. Once I get off this video. But yeah, I just came to spread a little wisdom, spread a little love. I love everybody. It's time to come together and be one. And live peacefully. Live in harmony with nature. Stop destroying it. Build with it. Uplift it. This tree was here way before I was thought of. And it's still standing strong. That's how my knowledge gonna be. Always standing strong. God.